So I get a lot of people talking to me today. They're saying, hey, Mike, I'm super burned out. They're like stuck in this rut and they can't get out of it, right? And I get it, you know, especially with all these iPhones, iPads, TV, computer. I mean, we never relax. We never go within ourselves and relax the body, relax the mind, and take a break. So I think number one is take some time off from your electronics. You know, I try not to touch mine until 9 a.m. and then I start my day. I wake up about 6. So if I go those first 3 hours of my day without touching those electronics, my day is so much better. I have so much energy. And the other thing is, you got to move. I try to get out of bed, hydrate, have some good green juice, either get on the elliptical, get on a treadmill, walk the dog, get some movement, stay off my electronics, start my morning routine, and then I promise you, you'll have less burnout and you'll be a lot more productive.